Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page in the weekend edition of Sunday, March the 9th and 10th, 2024. Today it's Saturday, and we have here 6 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have here two binaries with 3 stars, a killer Sudoku, and 2 Sudokus with 3 stars. Well, let me start with this one. This one will be number 8 1 5 7. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. 3 stars. This one has 27 printed digits. Well, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, well, it should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this really a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see, we have here 4 missing numbers in this second column. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. Here or there, we see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 here, okay. Then 3, 6, nope. Let me see here. Yeah, 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 8 and 9. We have 8 and 9 in this big square, so no 8 and 9 in these 3 boxes. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be in and 9 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. Can I do this with this column? Yeah. In this column, we have also 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 8. We have 8 in this big square. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 4. Need a 3 here, okay. Need a 3 there. Well, we have 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row. So first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6, need a 1. 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. Need a 5 here, need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. Well, and now need a 6. Yeah, 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, there are only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, there are only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need 6 here. 6, yeah, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, there are only 3 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in that column, no 6 there. So the only place left, the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. What the 3? Yes, 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. And then 3 there. That means in the last row, need the 3 here. Okay. In the last row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the last row is number 3. Here can be 3. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 is supposed to be there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in the middle column, 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 7 there. Alright. 2, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 and 5. Okay, I need to wait here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in that row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Okay, cannot continue with a 9. How about the number? Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 3. Need 3 there. Need 3 there. Okay. Come on. What's happening? 7. 247. No. How about the 2, 4? Well, we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in the second row. For the numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. And we have a pair, I believe, the 8 and a 5 in this row, the 8 and a 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3 Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Yeah. 2, 5, and need a 4 here. Yep, need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Well. Now. How about the 8? No, the 8. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 and a 5, we have 8 now in this column. Third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes in there. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. Oh, wait. 5, 5. 5. Well, you have 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have the 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so third column. Only place left on the 3 should be there. Do we have all the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the same numbers. 2 and the 5. Here we have a pair. 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Well, here also 2 and the 5 are missing. Here we need a 4. Okay. 2, 7, and need a 4 here. Yeah. Well, 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Then how about the 4, 4, 4? Here we have a 1. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column. 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers of 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 now in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. I marked this box also with 2 or a 5. We have a 2 here, so this box should be a 5 then. Then 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes in there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the fifth column, and only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, same numbers, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me get this a 1 star. And faster than 50 minutes. Yeah, definitely faster than 50 minutes. So, yeah, the publisher needs to correct the difficulty level here because it's not really a 3 stars. It's a 1 star puzzle, yes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.